we're looking at a pair of manuscript drawings and artwork relating to interior architecture. This first image here is by F.J. Duban, and there's a handwritten pencil annotation here about that he won the Prix de Rome in 1823. So evidently he is a known and recorded artist. This image is a very, very fine, delicate pencil drawing of a wall around a fireplace, because here's the fireplace mantle here, and the classical figures, and these blocks of color here are the artist's conception, no doubt, of the type of colors that should be used in this presentation, and no doubt these also would have had color applied later, so this is an early preliminary drawing. And at the same time that we acquired that, this came with it. This says here it's a design of the 18th century, and so what we see is a 1700s sheet of paper with a drawing of an interior similar to the other one, but just a totally different conception, done in ink with measurements and some color applied. And as the note pointed out, if we should also see the reverse of the image, because we see here a profile of a cabinet of the toilette of Madame de Beaupre, and so this is an architectural rendering. It says here the date de la Force is 1731. The design is yes, right. Okay, the design is 1731, and so this pair here of very nice architectural interior renderings is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.